This is the Sure Shot basketball net. It comes with 2 nets, comes with this whole entire setup. It's actually pretty light and very easy to install. Comes with as well 4 of the balls, and it is fully automated. So you actually can turn it on just like that. I can decide how many players, up to 4 players, and it will calculate it and it will keep scores. And then I could say, I'm just gonna go 1 player right now and press on play, and it will start counting the time. I can do a countdown from 30 to or 60 seconds down to 0. And every time I score, it's going to give me my score. So just like that, I'm at 4, 6, and so on. It's super fun, super cool, and both can run at the same time and calculate the score at the same time, and so you can have kind of a competition. Super cool, easy to set up, super easy to fold back down if you want to just keep it away, but it doesn't take that much room, and it is fully automated. That's a lot of fun.